Alright guys, welcome back to Weininger Racing. Obviously you can tell I'm not Weininger, but this is Weininger right here. Today we're working on these bad boys right now. We're getting them ready for the boat season. And all we have to do is make sure we got a tune up, make sure them carbs are running good. We're gonna pump them up until they start dripping, and then we're gonna go rip them. Alright guys, we'll be back in a little bit. Thanks for choosing Weininger Racing. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on something a little different. These jet skis. We're gonna go to the lake here in a couple weeks. This is my friend Wells.
Hi.
And yeah, we're gonna do a tune-up on these, rebuild the carburetors. This yellow one here, it has the wrong oil tank, so I have the new one over there on the table. I'm gonna put that on. Just simple tune-up on these, get them ready for the lake. All right guys, let's get to work. So what's good about these jet skis is they have the same engine. As you can tell, this one's a lot smaller than that one. This one absolutely rips. So I definitely want to get this one going first. Need to take off the intake plenum here and get down to the carburetors in there. Another issue with this yellow one is these oil lines here that go up to the carburetors. They're absolutely brittle, and when you're riding, one of them comes off, and as you can tell, it made a big old mess. So I'm also replacing all these lines on both, so hopefully there's no more messes inside the hulls. Just put that off to the side right now. Put this gasket off. Without breaking it. I don't have a new one. Alright, now we're down to the carbs. Get this plate off, and then we can unbolt them, take off all the cables and lines, and then we can get them on the bench and take them apart. Lay that off to the side. Now we're down to the carbs. Should be pretty simple to take off. There's a nut there, a nut right there, same on this one. Got to take off the lines for the crankcase on both carbs, take off the fuel lines, and then just the throttle cable on this side, and they should come off. I don't see anything else that's holding these together. Alright, all the lines are off. Pretty simple to get off. Just cut off all the zip ties, and then just pry them off, they'll come off. Now get the throttle cable off, which is right here. And just, I'm guessing, take off the nuts and they'll pull right out. These are really simple compared to the jet ski that's over there. There's a lot more cables on that one. So let's get back to work. Should be pretty easy. Just take this off. Throttle cable's off. There's one more cable up here for these. The choke. Let's see here. Alright, as far as I can tell, everything is off, and we could just unbolt them. Definitely don't make these easy. I'm going to try to get these nuts out, and then I'll get back to you once the carbs are on the table. Alright guys, got the carbs off. From what I remember, these are real easy to take apart and replace all the gaskets and all that. Just take these side off. These side.
Sponsored by O'Reilly's.
I wish. Anyways, take this off, replace the plunger on this side, and then take off all this. And yeah, pretty easy.
It's gonna be amazing. These things are gonna rip.
Good. Love that about these. I'm not even wearing them. Whatever.
Put them on. Put them on. I'm gonna... Oh, these are really heavy duty. Bro, it's like a Trojan Magnum. Again, XXL heavy duty for your Willy. Dude, this is really good blooper material right now. This is B-roll.
Love that.
Yeah. Okay, Robert, are you ready for your prostate exam? Please bend over and cough. Hard! Cough 3 times. I want to tickle your prostate. Alright, so where are we?
How to get demonetized really fast on a not monetized channel?
I don't think... Yeah, exactly. You're not monetized yet, so you can pretty much... It's fair game. You can say whatever the fuck you want. Besides, when you speed this up, it's going to seem like... Like that. See? Turbo. Turbo knows what's up. Isn't that right? Little nugget. Yeah, no, little nugget.
Good boy.
Do you want a prostate exam? The angle is looking good. You know what you need actually though? You need a bath there, buddy. Do you like water? Is he a water fan?
Not really.
No. So what's this diaphragm for?
If I knew the science behind all this,
You would tell him?
I would tell you.
Okay.
But
You don't know. It just does something that makes the engine work.
exactly.
Alright, cool. Those JIS screws, Japanese industry standards.
Probably.
Do you have JIS screwdrivers?
I do not.
Ugh.
I have Snap-on.
Snap-on and Matco. Beautiful.
Alright.
That's why my
it's right
fucking
there.
cell service is shit here. Because those are fucking ECM jammers. You ever go to the air show and they fucking do that stupid demonstration with those fucking things?
Let's see what I actually got in this package here. I doubt I got needles, seats, all that.
Well, you'll need the seat before you... Oh.
Thanks, Sean.
You're welcome. I'm here for you. I'm here for moral support. I basically have no mechanical knowledge, but moral support I do have a lot.
He's the comedian.
Definitely the comedian. Definitely banged in today just to be a part of this video. There is no needles.
There is not. Just the gaskets and all that, so just spray those down with some carb clean and call it a day, right?
Hell yes, we better call it in because it's about to fucking rain. Have a little divot for it?
Yeah, it's underneath the tank that is in there right now.
Why does it have a gas cap when this is for the oil? Okay, I'll shut up. I'll shut up. Oh, they're on there.
Are you remembering how these go together?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, but it's also really cool that you're taking a video so you can actually see how they go together. So if you forget, well, let's just consult the video. What is that? Is that the float, technically?
No.
Okay. Do these things even have floats?
I don't remember. That's trash.
Well, yeah, I get that's trash, but where does trash go? In the trash can. We're not litter bugs. We are cool, calm conservatives. Why are you looking at me? Look at the video. This is for the video. My face. Oh, the Terpskis. The turbo is not going to get any more views. This.
You don't know that.
This content.
That's a movie star right there.
Is he? This is prime content.
It is.
I know.
So basically, since I don't have any new jets, needle and sealant, all that, I'm just gonna spray down with carb clean and hopefully it's okay. I'm just gonna be replacing all the seals and yeah.
I think it'll be fine. It's gonna work out no matter what.
It will be fine.
It will be fine. That face says otherwise. You never saw the movie's Holes, did you?
Yeah, like
A long ass time ago.
15
You know
years
why
ago?
we call him Zero? Because there's nothing going on in his stupid little head. That's Turbo.
there's a lot going
No,
on.
no, look at this. There's nothing going on in there. There's a big head with no thoughts.
He's dreaming about being a wolf.
If he's dreaming, his eyes would be closed, and he's just fucking having the 1,000-yard stare while laying down.
Yeah. It's okay, buddy. Don't listen to him.
No, that's a good thing. Look, just because you're a simpleton doesn't mean that's a bad thing. Simple dogs are the best dogs because there's nothing going on in there. He's got a big old snoot that I like to grab the snoot. All right, so this is the fuel pump side.
Yeah. So this is basically a plunger that, you know,
Plunges
plunges.
and pressurizes fuel, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Wait, so it uses the vacuum?
Of the crankcase to operate that.
All right. Cool.
Come on, you bastard.
Demonetized.
Yep.
Oh, so that's that fuel. Is there anything in there?
Nothing crazy.
That's cool. That's good. We should have done a video with my. We should have done my boat. We should be like, all right, guys, welcome back to Ryan Racing. Today, we broke the oil pump or the oil pressure elbow. It's an oopsie. Shit happens.
Had to go to Ace and
Ace was definitely the helpful place.
yes. The sun is definitely not helping right now.
Why?
It's shining right into the
Camera?
yep.
Let me see. Let me check. No, it's not.
Nah, it's fine.
It looks fucking sick. I wonder if you could get parts for these still from Yamaha. How old are these?
Mid 90s,
Never mind.
late 90s.
Yeah, definitely not getting parts from Yamaha anymore.
Why not?
Bro, they're like fucking almost 30 years old.
Yeah.
You think Yamaha still makes parts for them? No.
Call them up.
What do you need? Hey, real though, we're gonna put a GoPro on the fucking front of this thing for the trip. We're gonna make Weininger Racing fucking lake episode.
Find every single cut on my arm.
Nice.
It's nice and wet now.
Yep, and it probably stings like a mother.
Yep.
Beauty. Looking good.
Now basically reverse order of what we took off and they'll be back together. Get them back on the jet ski.
With new gaskets and everything.
Oh, yeah. Look at that cut.
That's from a Volkswagen.
Sure is.
Just want to make sure you clean up the edges so it has a really good seating surface for the gasket, yeah?
That's right.
Very good.
Don't want no corrosion on this bad boy.
No, you don't, because especially we're going to be out the water, and what does water cause? Corrosion. Today's word of the day is sponsored by corrosion. Things that boats and aircraft don't like. Corrosion.
Oh, that's a good one right there.
Is it? Was that a zinger? I almost said the F word. I have a potty mouth.
Yes, you do.
I'm sorry. It's because of working at Costco. Is it empty already? Oh, the straw blew away. It was on its last straw.
Get in your hole.
YouTube comment right there, get in your hole.
Perfect.
Beautiful. It's one clean looking dual carburetor setup if I ever saw one. Do you need to use any RTV sealant with these gaskets, or are they just good to go?
They're just good to go, Joe.
Okay. I'm asking for the viewers, because what if the viewers don't know what's going on?
It's true. So that, where's that gasket out in this mess?
Do you have to rebuild the carbs every season, or is it just like a good rule of thumb?
Good rule of thumb.
What about this fuel strainer? Does that go back in that hole?
See, this is why I have you around. It's not a dirty one, right?
That is the dirty one.
Is it?
It looks like dirty.
It's the one that came out of there.
Are you sure? Oh, maybe not, because there's the other one. No, it's not. It's right here. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's this one, stupid. Wait. Yeah. Bingo. Bingo bongo.
Perfect. Put that in there. Try to anyway. Kind of looks like Chinese fucking parts right here.
F word.
Perfect.
Volume. There you go. See? Nice.
Alright, now that side's done.
We can pop the cap back on and
No, gonna need to take these apart. Place the little the one-way valves.
check valves.
Yeah, that's a word. Pop. That's a check valve. There's the other one. I'll just clean this bad boy off. Get this O-ring out of here. Try to anyways.
Don't mar the surface.
Thanks, John.
You're welcome.
Yeah, no, that would be sweet.
That would be sweet.
Get that out of here. Don't need that where we're going.
Nope.
Just clean this bad boy off.
This is why fuel injection is superior.
You're not wrong.
I'm not. I know. Do you have to do this to fuel injectors every season? No. I'm pretty sure the new jet skis nowadays are fuel injected too. You're ruining the video, dog. Did that kit come with the check valves?
Yeah, they're in here somewhere. Get your no hands. You think you can handle the other side, John?
I'm sure. If you want me to. Why'd you get so many rebuild kits?
Because there's 2 carburetors for each one.
Oh, that's a lot of extra parts then. What the hell?
Or we're still only on one side of the carb. Still got to do the other one. Other side. Remember?
On that side?
Yeah.
Hmm.
We're just on the fuel pump side.
Do these screws have torque specs?
Good and tight.
Cool. Tight, got it.
Click, click, click.
Beep. There you go. See?
Beep. You see the little seal on this? Gotta replace that too.
That's definitely gonna seal the deal.
Alright guys, the camera decided to overheat and I continued working. Well, Johnny boy put in the spark plugs, the carbs are in right here. And now I'm just getting these lines back on and do the finishing touches on that. Gonna replace the tank with the stock one that's supposed to be in there. And yeah, we're almost there. Alright, the carbs are now installed, cables on, lines on. Now I'm going to do the lines for the fuel injection, or oil injection rather, that go up to the top plate right here. And then we'll replace that tank and then we'll start this up. Yeah, clean out all the oil that's in the bottom of the hole too.
Yeah, how are you gonna do that?
The little sucker over there. Alright, that goes there, that goes there. Get these little things off. The one-way valves. Try not to cut my finger.
Yeah, don't do that.
Huh?
It goes the other way. Look, the small end goes on the out.
So
See, and there's an arrow. Okay, no, follow, shut up. Now it is.
Oh, now you got me questioning myself.
Oh, I just have questions. Sorry.
This one.
Oh, ooh, this one's blue.
Let's see how those go on here. Alright, that one's slightly different. From what I remember. So after some research and me and John going back and forth, we figured out that one of these was incorrect. They're supposed to be pointing, the one-way valve is supposed to be going this way. The one that was on this side isn't going that direction. So we're going to put these in the right spot and finish this jet ski up for the day. Alright guys, me and John over here finished everything up. Everything's buttoned up, cleaned out the bottom. As you can tell, water is now flowing through it, so let's see if it starts by itself without any brake clean. Where's the fuel? Can you make sure this is on right? The fuel's on that side.
Fuel is set to off, now set to on.
Give it a couple pumps. Got some brake clean. Get a jump pack and then I think she'll start right up. All in a day's work. Got this jet ski tuned up, and we're gonna call it a day now.
Time for a beer.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.